Hey, so I just received this box on my doorstep from the UPS man. It came, of course, from 31, and I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys just because, I had to open it a little bit just to see what it was. But then once I saw what it was, I just closed it back and I was like, I've got to make a video and I want to unbox it with my customers because the reason why I have this is because of you. So what this this is a gift from 31 for being the top personal volume consultant in the state of Georgia. So last sales season, I had $111,000 in sales for that fiscal year. Honestly, I can't even, I'm not a bragger, but it's not because of me. It's because of you. You guys are the reason why I was top in state, why I was able to quit my full-time job to run my 31 business full-time. It's because of you guys. So I wanted to share this opportunity with you. So here it is, the great little pink box. I'm going to open it up and so fun. So you open it up and look, there's a little box of goodness in here, bubble wrap, all kinds of things. So I'm just going to pull this out just like this. Set this down, undo the bubble wrap, and I should have had my scissors ready. Here we go. Okay. All right. So on the top, you guys can see this is a little stack of cards with cards and envelopes, and it says, sending you some happy mail. So this is something that I can use to send for my customers, to send my team when they do something or they need a celebration. So it says, sending you some happy mail on the back. It has 31. I love this. All right. And then, more cards. You got this, girl. Super cute cards with our 31 envelopes. All right. That's so nice. Okay. The next thing is, an achievement of note. Congratulations on earning top in state for 2018-2019 sales year. So let's open this up. It looks like it may be like a notepad. Okay. Oh, it is a notepad. It says, be your own kind of beautiful, 31, Andrea Carver, director. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. I love that. I love that so much. Okay, and now we have, this is a close to home caddy. Love our close to home collection. All right, open this up. It's our caddy. It's our made of our mango wood from India. It says 2019 top in state personal volume, Georgia. This is so cool. So again, thank you guys so much for supporting me, for commenting on my post on Facebook, for hosting parties with me, for joining my gift clubs throughout the year, for watching my YouTube videos, just supporting me, whether you're commenting on a post or you're answering a guessing game or you're saying, hey, I want to host a party, or hey, I'd like to order that. Whatever it is, you support me. And honestly, I am so grateful. It just blows me away how the Lord has just worked in my business and been able to, 31 has just blessed me so much. And I'm just so grateful. And I'm grateful to you because I wouldn't even have any of this. I wouldn't have a business. I wouldn't even be able to run my business. I wouldn't be able to take my kids to school every day. It's just pick them up from school where my son doesn't have to ride the school bus, because last year was just, the school bus was just a total issue last year, and he was stressing himself out, like making himself sick and everything. So I'm just truly grateful, and I don't think I will ever be ungrateful for anything in my business, for you guys, for anything. So I'll stop talking and crying, but thank you so much. I'll proudly display this right here on my desk with my pens and use this, for my scissors and my 31 pens, all kinds of things here on my desk. And I'm truly grateful. So thank you so much for supporting me. I love you guys very much. So have a great day. Thank you again.